Okay, this time I'm going to tell you the question first. So as I read, you can be thinking about gathering the evidence. And the question is, once the queen threatens her with beheading, chopping off her head, how does Paulina respond? It means, what does she do when the queen threatens her? So let's read to find out what she does. Paulina leaped out of bed and ran to the window, but it was an unbelievably long drop to the ground. The meal was her only hope. She rushed the tray over to the fireplace, stirred the few remaining hot coals, that's like the dark black and red fiery pieces in the fireplace, the coals. Then she crushed her garlic and sprinkled it over the mess for good luck. Finally, Paulina tossed on the herbs to cover up the garlic smell. Let's take a look at her. Ooh, do you see the smell coming out over there? Not just smoke, it's also the smell. That's how illustrators do it. Here she is, holding this thing. I don't know what that is. Yeah, we do. And here's the page. And this man, he's called a page. A page will also deliver messages. Paulina paced back and forth. So remember, this illustration is happening after this is written. So she's not pacing back and forth here. Paulina paced back and forth, planning her escape. Be sure to include some of these details. Perhaps she could make a deal with the long-haired princess to climb down her braid. She didn't notice that the goopy dough had browned into a crust, the tomatoes were bubbling, the hard bits of cheese had melted, and the fragrance, that's the smell, it's a nice smell, the fragrance of garlic and herbs filled the room. A page opened the door. "Time's up!" Paulina took a deep breath and carried her tray into the great dining room. So remember, our question is, after the queen threatens to behead her, what are the few main things that she did? Why did she run to the window? And then tell me what other details happened on these 2 pages. Okay, and after you answer those, we will stop here and we will finish the story tomorrow. See you soon.